When the temperatures drop, there's nothing more pressing than wanting to keep your house as warm as possible. That's why winterizing should be on your seasonal to-do list, no matter where you live. The process of winterizing your home can take a few weeks, but it's time well spent. Plus, you don't necessarily have to spend a fortune either. Most tasks cost a few bucks, though some may be a bit pricier. So, where do you start? Don't fret. Even if you've never done this kind of prepping before, we've got you covered. 1. Add weather stripping. If you have some drafts in your house, weather stripping is a great way to seal off those leaks temporarily. The material is typically silicone, rubber, or vinyl, and it comes in different sizes. Weather stripping is simple to apply since it usually comes with a sticky back. You can find it in varying thicknesses and widths, as well as different colors to blend in with your windows or doors. It's not just for winter either. You can use it all year round if you desire. It costs just a few bucks at your local big box or hardware store. 2. Close your fireplace damper. You should only do this prep step if you don't use your fireplace. The damper is a metal plate within your chimney that controls airflow. When it's closed, it can help prevent cold air from flowing into your home, help regulate the internal temperature, and prevent heat loss and higher electric bills. If you do use your fireplace, leave it open because it can be a serious safety hazard if you don't. 3. Insulate your attic. Because heat rises, insulating the attic, if you have one, is a must. The warm air in your house can easily dissipate through the attic otherwise. Insulation is more of an expert's job but can be done as a DIY project with some care. In the worst-case scenario, if you rarely use your attic, seal off the door leading to it for the season. 4. Install a programmable thermostat. How does a programmable thermostat help? Well, because it lets you set different temperatures for different times and days. That way, you can control the amount of energy you use without having to drastically lower the temperature when you're not home and bump it up when you are. Programmable thermostats are easy to install, and though some models may be expensive, there are some that only cost around $60. 5. Check your furnace duct seals. You likely don't think much about them, but furnace ducts are critical for spreading the air through your home. If the duct seals are leaky, the heat flows less efficiently, which can lead to a higher energy bill. Sealing off your ducts is easy, too. There's a special tape that can go around the pipes, or you can buy special pre-cut foam that wraps around them. 6. Maintain your furnace. It's important to service your HVAC system every year. A regular tune-up can help keep it running in prime condition, so it's more efficient and uses less energy. The best time to schedule your maintenance is in the fall, before the winter season. Doing so will help ensure you stay warm and don't have to call in an emergency repair when it's cold and your system is acting up. 7. Seal off drafty doors and windows. Drafty doors and windows account for most of your air leakage. If you can't afford to replace them before the winter, which would be your best option, you can easily find plastic kits in the hardware store to seal them off for the season. If you need to use your windows and can't afford to seal them off, you can also caulk around the installation. The same goes for doors, but you can also use draft blockers to seal off the bottom when not in use. 8. Reverse your ceiling fan. Ceiling fans are helpful in spreading cool air during the summer months, but they also spread heat in the winter. You just need to reverse the direction of the blades. Allowing your ceiling fan to do some of the work cuts down on the need for your heating system to run constantly and helps heat your home more efficiently. 9. Change air filters. Just like your car, your home heating system has air filters, helping remove contaminants and debris from the air flowing through. In doing so, however, they also trap these particles and, over time, become clogged. This prevents the air from flowing efficiently through your home and can kick your HVAC system into overdrive. Replacing your air filters regularly helps prevent your HVAC system from struggling and keeps your energy bills lower. 10. Inspect your roof. In the months leading up to winter, be sure to inspect your roof. If you don't feel comfortable climbing up a ladder, you can always hire someone to do it for you. The goal is to locate broken or rotted shingles or tiles and replace them to avoid heat loss. Weak areas can also lead to collapsing in the event of heavy snow or rain, so it's best to address those repairs sooner rather than later. 11. Clean your gutters. You should clean your gutters regularly, especially in the lead up to winter when there's likely to be more precipitation. It's not a fun job, but it is necessary. The gutters are essential in directing water flow away from your home. Clogged gutters can lead to a backflow, which can, in turn, cause water buildup and leaks. In other words, preventable damage. 12. Turn off exterior water spigots. External water spigots are handy for running your sprinklers or watering your flowers in warmer months, but they can become a hazard in the winter. Properly draining them and turning them off can help prevent frozen pipes. Frozen pipes can burst, and nobody wants to deal with that at any time of year, let alone the winter. 13. Trim tree branches. This may seem like an odd task to help winterize your home, but if you're in an area prone to lots of snow, you've likely noticed it can take down branches and trees with ease. Trimming back the branches from your house can help prevent one from crashing through your roof or windows if they become laden with snow, saving you hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars.